Ever found yourself a little short before payday and wished there was a simple, stress-free way to access a portion of your earnings early? You're not alone. Millions of Australians are discovering the convenience and flexibility of Beforepay, a popular wage advance app. But how exactly do you join this growing community and unlock access to your funds when you need them most? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Beforepay actually offers. It's not a loan in the traditional sense. Instead, it allows eligible users to access a portion of their already earned wages before their official payday arrives. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or simply bridging the gap until your next salary hits your account. Think of it as your own financial safety net, right in your pocket. So, you're intrigued and ready to explore how to become a Beforepay user? Great! The process is designed to be straightforward and can be completed primarily through their mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting accepted. First things first, you'll need to download the Beforepay app. It's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Simply search for Beforepay and look for their official app with the distinctive logo. Once you've found it, tap Install and get ready to embark on your Beforepay journey. After the app is installed, open it up and you'll be guided through the initial setup process. This typically involves creating an account by providing your basic personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter these details accurately as they'll be used for verification purposes. Next up is the crucial step, connecting your bank account. Beforepay needs to verify your income and repayment capabilities, and this is done securely by linking the bank account where your salary is regularly deposited. The app uses secure third-party providers to ensure your banking information is protected. You'll likely be prompted to select your bank from a list and then enter your online banking credentials. Don't worry, Beforepay emphasizes the security of this process. Once your bank account is linked, Beforepay's system will analyze your transaction history. This analysis helps them understand your regular income, pay cycle, and overall financial health. They're looking for consistent income being deposited into your account. This is a key factor in determining your eligibility and the initial advance limit you might be offered. Following the bank account analysis, you might be asked to provide some additional information, such as your employment details. This could include the name of your employer and how often you get paid, weekly, fortnightly, monthly. This helps Beforepay further understand your income stability. Now comes the waiting game. Beforepay will review the information you've provided. The processing time can vary, but they generally aim to provide a decision relatively quickly. You might receive a notification within the app or via email once your application has been assessed. If your application is successful, congratulations. You'll be notified of your initial advance limit. This is the maximum amount you can access at any given time. Remember that this limit can potentially increase over time based on your usage and repayment history. In the event that your application is not approved initially, don't be discouraged. Beforepay will usually provide a reason for the decision. It's possible that you might need to meet certain criteria, such as having a consistent income history over a specific period. You can always try again in the future once your financial situation changes. It's important to remember that Beforepay is designed to be a responsible way to access your earned wages early. They emphasize transparency and charge a small transaction fee for each advance. Make sure you understand these fees and the repayment schedule before you request an advance. Getting accepted to Beforepay is generally a straightforward digital process focused on verifying your income and repayment ability through your linked bank account. By following these steps and providing accurate information, you'll be well on your way to accessing your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.